this job. So smokes are on. And any minute now, tension is building. Keep your eyes peeled, ladies and gents. So, as you can see, they are now collecting to form the Vulcan stack. So, you'll notice there's two different colours of smokes there. We've got the white smoke and the red. The white smoke dictates that's the team coach. He's the most experienced chap in the sky up there. He conducts all the training for the chaps. So he has the white smoke, he has communications to the others above him and gives directions, which I'll let you listen in on shortly. We actually have a female in the stack this year, which we'll introduce as she lands. So I'm going to let you listen in and show you what's going on.
360 now. 180, it's going to speed up now. 270, rolling out my turn, now.
So as you can see, the commands that happen are very uniformed, very direct. The wind has picked up a little, so they're going to be working really hard up there. They have steering toggles, which, like a car, as you would imagine, you pull on the right toggle, it's going to turn you right, left, it's going to turn you left. How do they slow down? They pull on both toggles, and as you come into land, you'll see an exaggerated pull, which is called a flare. So even though from the sky it doesn't look hugely close together from the ground, up there they will be very, very close together. They will be hearing each other. So there's the aircraft passing away as well. So they are now forming their landing pattern because they will scoop away and land into the wind. So can we have lots of noise please as we introduce the team? We have team coach, Flight Sergeant Dave Warboys.